No logo appears when power on, reboot, stuck, or into recovery mode are common faults of Huawei P30, which usually caused by CPU faulty soldered. This video we will show you Huawei P30 CPU repairing tutorial. Put motherboard on fixture. Turn on hot air gun. Set temperature to 330 degrees. 4 gears wind. Heating CPU for 2 minutes. Pry up upper board with blades. Scrapage glue around CPU. Heating CPU for 3 minutes. Pry up CPU. Apply soldering flux on backside of CPU. Drag tins. Remove glue. Drag to remove tins on bonding pad evenly. Clean it with PCB cleaner. Overturn the CPU. Repeat again. Drag tins on top side of CPU. Remove glue. Clean it. After that, reballing CPU. Reballing completed. Apply soldering flux on upper board. Drag tins on upper board. Remove glue. Clean it. Reballing upper board. Apply soldering flux on bottom board. Drag tins on motherboard. Remove glue. Drag tins on bottom bonding pad evenly. Clean it. Apply solder mask to solidify loose bonding pad. Apply soldering flux on bottom board. Install CPU and upper board back. Install motherboard into phone. Test each function. All functions work well. Huawei P30 not power on repaired successfully. If there are any other operations you want to learn, please leave your messages or comments. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, we will launch more videos later.